Hey everyone, back with week 4, phase 3. Again, sticking with poetry. Here's a really short one I picked out. It's short, but it's powerful. It's called A Man Said to the Universe by Stephen Crane. It's only 5 lines, as we can see right here. So the assignment is read this short poem, then answer the questions that follow. There's only 5 questions for this short 5-line poem. Like I said, A Man Said to the Universe by Stephen Crane. A man said to the universe, "Sir, I exist." "However," replied the universe, "the fact has not created in me a sense of obligation." Short but powerful. Read it a couple of times. Get like a taste for it, a feel for it, I guess. Let it marinate a little bit in your head, and then answer the questions. What's the definition of obligation? I want the dictionary definition. So you can go to dictionary.com. If you have a dictionary at home, you can look it up. And then put the definition right here. And then I want your own definition. What does the word obligation mean to you? And then here are the other ones. What's the man's attitude? This man right here, he says, "A man said to the universe, 'Sir, I exist.'" What kind of attitude does that radiate? How do you think the man's saying it? What kind of tone does he have? Do you think he has? And then, what kind of attitude does that radiate? And then on the flip side, what is the universe's attitude? The universe says, let me repeat that. Here's what the universe says. "However," replies the universe, "the fact has not created in me a sense of obligation." How do you think the universe is feeling about what the man said? The man says to the universe, "I exist," and the universe says, "I don't have an obligation. I have no sense of obligation." What's the attitude that the universe have? Is the universe, I don't know, stuck up, bratty, kind, generous? What's the attitude? Mean, malevolent, I mean. How do you think the universe is acting? Next one, again, I know we've seen this question a bunch, but every poem has a different mood, has a different goal behind it. So again, I'll ask, what is the mood of the poem? How does it make you feel reading this little 5-line? Does it make you feel empowered, sad, sorrowful? Does it make you think? What's the mood that you're getting off of it? Then last but not least, what do you think the purpose of this poem is? Why do you think Stephen Crane sat down and said, "I'm going to write this poem"? What was the message he was trying to get across? What's the purpose that he wants? What was the purpose behind the poem that he wrote? So there you go. Week 4, phase 3, short and simple. Again, have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Facebook, Google Classroom, Instagram, Google Voice. I put my phone number out there. I'll post it again on Facebook or something. So yeah, there you go. Have any questions or need any help? Reach out to me. And there we go. Bye, y'all.